Most cats have 18 toes. This is a polydactyl cat. Therefore, it is born with extra toes on its paws. Because the trait can create oversized, mitten-like feet, these unusual felines often look as though they're permanently wearing fluffy gloves. At first glance, it looks more like a tiny lamb. This is the Selkirk Rex cat. Therefore, its naturally curly coat makes it one of the most unusual cat breeds. Because the genetic mutation is rare, every fluffy curl attracts attention wherever it goes. Its ears look permanently styled. This is the American curl. Therefore, the ears gently curve backward due to a natural genetic mutation. Because kittens are born with straight ears that curl later, owners can watch the breed's signature feature develop over time. Most cats avoid getting wet. This is the Turkish van. Therefore, it is famous for enjoying swimming and water play. Because the breed developed near large bodies of water, many individuals seem completely comfortable splashing where other cats would run away. Many cats communicate with vocal sounds. This is the Maine Coon. Therefore, it often prefers chirps and trills instead of traditional meows. Because of its unique communication style, owners frequently describe conversations with their cats as surprisingly bird-like. Its speed surprises almost everyone. This is the Egyptian Mau. Therefore, it is one of the fastest domestic cat breeds. Because it can reach remarkable speeds during short sprints, watching one chase a toy feels like seeing a miniature cheetah.
The absolute minimum amount of energy required to answer its owner's call.
You almost did. Oh my god. One more step. You got it. Whee!